Miros bun. Good morning and welcome to day number... Is it day number 2 or is it day number 3? So we left on Friday, here on Saturday. Yeah, day number 3. So we've, first night we slept in Nuremberg. And second night, which is last night, we stayed here near Budapest in a place called Davas. And we are heading towards Târgu Mureș in Romania. So this is day number 3. So today we've got a long journey ahead of us. I think approximately 600 miles. I'm not sure actually how many miles, but approximately 8 hours of driving. Romania is one of the longest places to cross or drive through because the roads are smaller. They don't have motorways as such, and it takes forever. So let's see what let's see outside how it is. That's our car there. That is it there. Okay guys, see you back in the car. Bye for now. We've just left Hotel Donbass. I can just say, what a fantastic stay it was. You saw the rooms. This morning we had some breakfast. Nothing special, but still very good in terms of quality. We're now heading, as you can see, through Hungary into Romania. You can see some of the countryside here in Hungary. I'll let you know when we get closer to Romania or if there's any nice sceneries on the way. We've got a massive 8 hours drive, so in real terms, if we stop for toilet or whatever, that's probably going to be 10 to 11 hours. So we've got a long drive. See you in a bit. Bye bye. Right, we're here at the border of Hungary and Romania. Take a look. It's a roundabout in Romania. Look at this little birds. I don't know if you can see this. Oh my god. We're going through a small Romanian village. Have a look. Have a look at the buildings here. Show them that building over there. Romania has a lot of these forests, which you just saw. Beautiful places. There's bears, there's rabbits, deers, all kinds of animals. So yeah, hopefully we get to see a bear or two. Let's see. Anyway, we're here in Romania now. So there's been a change of plans. Originally we were supposed to go to Târgu Mureș, but instead we're going to a place called Barashov. And reason being, we couldn't find any hotels. So we're gonna go to Barashov at the moment, where we're staying. Hopefully it's really nice. We're gonna stay on top of a hill. And then, yeah, so we just stopped here to fill up and to go to the bathroom and so on. So keep watching guys. Hopefully you like this place. See you soon. We just bought some ice cream, thinking it's ice cream. It's actually a mango on a stick. Tastes fantastic. I think this should be done everywhere. Romania, way to lead the way. Cheers.
Argashan.
Next to the roundabout, take
Guys, we're going up to our hotel for tonight, and this place is stunning. It's absolutely gorgeous. The scenery you've just seen, it's just great. I don't know, I'm lost for words. Look out there, look at the scenery. Have a look. Romania is definitely pretty. It's very pretty. I don't think the world knows how pretty it is, so hopefully I can translate some of that to you through this screen. Anyway, when I get up to the hotel, I'll do another panoramic view for you guys. This road is super narrow and it's super steep. When the cars come from the other side, you have just enough space to pass. A bit nerve-wracking, but we're almost there to our destination. It's literally 2 miles away now. Just arrived at the hotel, and I want you to see this scenery. Have a look at this. That's the hotel. I don't know if you can see, but there are some horses on that field grazing, and of course some houses in the hotel. And up there is another big massive mountain. The air is so fresh here. It's full of oxygen. It feels amazing. Right guys, I've entered this hotel, and I'll tell you the name in a minute because I can't actually remember, but it's impressive. So we're staying in E on the 2nd floor. As you come in, you have a door to the right, and you have like a kitchenette. Then you have the living room. And the lady just gave us some dinner because the kitchen's closed. It's nearly 9 o'clock now, so she left us kindly some dinner, and it's actually quite warm. So here's the living room. So that comes out as a bed. There's a TV. In here is the master bedroom, if you like. There you go. And then out there is the balcony. It's absolutely incredible. We've been driving for around 10 hours. As you can see, I'm full of grease, sweat. So first thing I'm going to do is have a shower. Alright guys, one room I haven't showed you, the room that was to the right as I arrived. So we came from there, and in there, which is the right, is the bathroom. So I've not been in here yet. Let's see. It's pretty nice. You can get a bidet, shower, skylight. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay. I think we're done for now. Good morning, guys. As per yesterday, you saw I'm here. I'm absolutely loving it here. This is incredible. I never knew Romania was so cool. It's just amazing. This morning I captured the sunrise, and later today we're gonna go to the town. I'll take you with me. And yeah, so I just finished my breakfast. I had an omelette, very nice. And now we're gonna head to the town, do a bit of sightseeing, a bit of shopping. I'll see you. To show you this tiny little village. There's hardly any houses here. As you can see, some of them are fairly old. It's a really isolated village in the mountains. We're just saying how nice it would be to have a little place here. Absolutely amazing. Further down this hill. So of course we're on the top of the mountain. Further down, there's a market and there's a Count Dracula's castle. So we'll get to see Dracula's castle hopefully. If not, maybe another time. But I'm gonna try. If there's a massive queue, I'm not gonna go in. If not, I'll take you in with me and show you Dracula's castle. Okay, see you in a bit, guys. Have a look at this road. This is a maze. That's crazy. I don't know if you can see that on the screen, but that is crazy. So literally hairpin after hairpins, hairpins after hairpins. And as you can see, look, I'm going around one hairpin now. This is a road in Romania through the forests. Check it out. And you can see more hairpins coming up. Look at the map now. More hairpins coming up. Forest, look to your right, forest. And these forests have bears in them. So we've actually seen bears before. We've been through here before and we've seen bears. With a bear with 3 of her cubs. Last time we were here, we were just walking up these roads, crossing over usually from one side to the other side of the forest. We've stopped to have some kozanak. Let me show you what this is. This is what you get in the mountains. So we're in the mountains now, going over the mountain to somewhere a little bit surprising, as I mentioned earlier. But let's have a look what a kozanak is. Bună ziua! Oh, miros bun.
Da, da. Bun, bun, bun.
Moment, român puțin. Moment.
Să vină madame.
Da.
No,
English? No.
puțin.
Da? Okay. What flavor do you have? Chocolate, vanilla.
Da, yes.
Ce este?
Nucă.
Nucă?
Nuts, da. Caramel, scorțișoară, cocos. Cinnamon.
Da, una...
Una ce?
Da, ia. Oh, acolo foc, da?
Da.
Acolo fac foc, aici...
Apoi jar.
Aha.
Jar. Uite,
Aha,
jar.
aha. Frumos. Asta magazin?
Yes.
Ved acolo? Okay. So, oh, this is where she prepares it. So you can see the sugar. You can see some bread. It's a tiny little shop. Literally, she's outside just making the bread for everyone. And here's some more bread. You can see these are very super sweet breads that she's made. Here's a pre-made kozanak. And there's a very old traditional home here. Someone who lives here. There's there's a sweet corn field there. That looks like a bar. Buy some chips. Let's have a look. Hello. Looks pretty packed in there. So maybe not. The trucks come super quick. Crossing here is injurious to your health.